Mama, what did you just do? Why did you do that?
What is what? Is this your new pattern of greeting?
Mama, why are you pretending as if you don't know what I'm talking about? Why did you embarrass Chinedu? Why?
Embarrassed? Oh, he was even embarrassed. Thank God. I didn't even know that such a person has any shred of embarrassment on him.
Mama, why are you acting this way? Mama, wait, let me ask you a question. If Chinedu was to be your son, is this the way you'll be embarrassing him? Tell me.
God forbid. God forbid that Muabo Karo will begot such a person as my own son. I'm very proud na gagare. Na sinonya about my son. Chukwajo. I cannot get such a son. I cannot give birth to such a person as my son. Omame. Ha! Useless man.
Ma, you know what? This is not fair. What you are doing is not fair. It shows that you don't even have any atom of Christianity in you.
What is not fair? Ego. Okay, cool down. Let me tell you what is not fair. What is not fair in this case is the way you disgrace me in this whole village by following such a person, such a non-entity. That is what is not fair. You are following him when your mates, even the people you are more beautiful than, are doing big things for their own parents. Following big men, Ndijiego, building houses for their parents, buying expensive clothes for their parents, buying expensive jewelry for their parents, building houses for their parents, buying cars for their parents. But in your own case, what you do is coming to me, taking the little money I make from my own business to buy clothes for that useless idiot. You give him food, you do other things for him. Ego. That is what is not fair. Enoria?
Mama, so what you are trying to say is that you are low-key asking me to enter into prostitution. Eh?
Ego, if it is prostitution that will make you to get money, do it.
Ha! Mama, all those girls that used to build that to their parents.
It's better than following Chinedu.
Do you know how many men they sleep with? Me that is a Christian. You want me to go and be doing bad things?
Sleep with the whole mess so long they have money.
I will never do it, Mama. That is bad. I can never follow all those men because of money. I will not do it. My faith will not allow me.
Oh, really? No. Of course I know you're strong. You're a strong man. Let me call you back. Mom?
Who was that? Is it Walter?
No.
Who?
A friend.
A friend? Do I know this friend?
Mom?
Yes, because your father will never accept any other man besides Walter. So whatever issues you two are having, let's sort it out, because very soon you two are getting married. Anyway, I heard you laughing hilariously, and I decided to pop in to know who was that.
Is anybody home?
My princess. My princess, I greet you.
Greetings, Kingsley.
Good to see you.
Good to see you too. How are you?
I'm well.
I can see you're ready for your daily activity.
Oh yes, as you can see.
Okay, so can I join you?
Oh, Princess, you can't. I am going right inside the forest.
I know, but I love adventure into nature.
My princess, see, you can't be curious.
I insist, Kingsley.
My princess. He is right. Remember our last adventure.
I cannot be with a hunter and get hunted.
My princess, what about the king? He will be very angry.
Are you going to tell him? I thought as much.
But my princess, what about me? I can't go to the palace without you. If I go to the palace without you, I'll have serious questions to answer. Please.
Oluchi.
My princess.
I'm sure you know what to do.
What can I help you with the bag?
So, let's go. Come on.
After you.
I'll let you go.
Okay, my princess.
Let's go.
Okay, after you.
Unconditional love, it is sweet. My love have no boundaries. I'm where a boundary child. Able love more. You're my love. My love has no boundaries. I'm where a boundary child. Able more.
It's heavy. No, the head has to be on your shoulder. It has to be on your shoulder, yes. Just like this. Let me show you. It has to be on your shoulder here. Because if it is not on your shoulder, when you shoot it will fall off your hand.
Ooh.
Okay? So it has to be on your shoulder. When you shoot,
Okay.
you still remain. But you have to be very careful. Okay? Because it might pull your shoulder.
Oh.
Yes.
Okay.
Hold it. Stand firm on the ground. Then, not under your armpit, okay? Just here. Let it rest here. Then hold it. Hold it. Bring your finger close to the trigger.
Okay.
Don't pull yet. Okay? This is the target. Target from here.
Okay.
Bend your head a bit. Close one of your eyes. Then aim your target. Aim. Aim. Hold your breath. Hold your breath. Then when you get to it, you shoot. Did you feel it?
Oh, I tried.
You tried though. But watch me now. Watch me.
What?
Shh.
What?
Hold on.
You're scaring me. What is it?
Grass cutter. Nchi.
Nchi?
Yes. You know, hunting is an act. So you do it with your mind. Shh, don't make noise.
How did you know it's a grass cutter?
I know. I know their sounds and their movements.
Really?
Yes, come with me. Don't make noise. Do not make noise.
She left and never told you where she was going to.
Yes, Your Majesty. You know, Your daughter, these days she gives me a look. She tells me nothing.
Just a minute, please. What do I call this?
Greetings, my king.
Where is my daughter?
My king, she was asked to drop at the salon.
What? Salon?
Yes, my queen.
But her is not due. Why is she visiting the salon?
Pedicure, yes. Pedicure, my king, my queen.
And you're here. You idiot! Huh? But tell me, what are you doing here? Why didn't you wait for her when she's done? You come home with her.
I'm sorry, my prince. She asked me to go back home. That whenever she's ready, she will call me. I'm so sorry.
Get out of my sight! Get out!
My prince is okay. Just, she will come around. Just calm down. I don't want you to be angry. I don't want you to be angry, please. Just calm down.
It is sweet when you find someone that loves you. It is sweet, yeah, love. Unconditional love. It is sweet. My love have no boundaries. I'm where a boundary child. Able love more. You're my love. My love has no boundaries. I'm where a boundary child. Able yanke more. You're my love. My love, my one and only. I will always be with you. Nothing can separate us in this world. Osagado wajumo, Fana jumo, Fana jumo na. Osagodi papa jumo, Ona jumo, Ona jumo na. Osagodi mama jumo, Ona jumo, Ona jumo na nkiti. You're my life, you're my world. I will never leave you alone. Oh, it's a lover, no choice. Journey of love, no choice. It's a lover, no choice. Journey of love, no choice. Odikwa kangugu, if it topetelu welu. Odikwa kangugu, if onye topetelu onwelu. It's a lover, no choice. Journey of love. No choice, it's a lover. No choice, journey of love. No choice, this love is beautiful. Look at the way it is sweet. When you find someone that loves you.
Whoa!
I got it!
Yes!
I got it!
Got it! Oh my God! Wow! This is quite impressive.
I learned from the best.
It's dead.
It is.
Wow. Touch it.
No.
Come on, feel it.
I'm okay.
This is good. You're good.
Thank you.
Come on, let's go. This is so nice. This is so nice. You're good. You're good.
Please.
You're good.
My princess, you were quite impressive today. I never knew that a lady like you would stoop so low.
No. Being with you does not mean I am stooping low. We are the same. You see, the position, the cars, the glamour, all the razzmatazz of royalty means nothing to me. I just want to be happy. And I feel so irresistibly attracted to you. From the day I saw you, The energy that you radiate is so compelling. I feel haunted by the love of a hunter.
Oh, okay. But what did I do to deserve this from a lady like you?
Nothing. Nothing. You do not need to work so hard to be loved. It's a gift I am willing to give you.
I can see you are already celebrating your huge catch.
Yes, may the gods be praised. Yes, good.
Is she not the princess of Hungary?
Oh, yes, she is.
Please extend my greetings.
What's the matter with you?
Dad, what have I done to deserve this kind of panel?
You call this panel?
So it is okay for you to just walk out of the palace without telling anyone where you're going to? But no, what's going on?
I just went to the salon.
Salon? Did you just say salon? What exactly did you go to the salon to do? Because this is exactly how you were before you left the house this morning. Look at how ruffled you're looking. So tell me what exactly you went to the salon to do.
Mom, I went to have my pedicure done. Remember, I'm old enough to move around. Why does I need policing?
Okay, Mom. Just look at this. This was the pedicure you were wearing before you left this house today. Lie! Where are you coming from?
No, no one is policing. Your safety is back.
Dad, I know. But I keep saying this over and over and over and over again that I can take care of myself. I'm old enough for that.
Really? No problem.
Please, I would like to go in and have my bath. I need to rest.
I'll talk to him. Please do. I'm not just comfortable with her excuses.
Do you think there's more to that?
She's just getting infatuated.
Really?
That's all I can say.
Salon. Really? My brain.
I don't understand.
You don't understand. Your dad and your mom must have fallen for your crown. But I don't buy it.
What are you insinuating?
You know what I'm talking about. We have not been in good terms lately. So what is going on?
Nothing. Nothing is going on, Walter. And I hope you've not come to set up another panel of inquiry after I have scaled through that of my parents.
I hope it's not about another guy.
What? What are you talking about?
It's about another guy.
I need to rest now. If you'd excuse me.
Yeah, how are you?
I'm fine, thanks.
What is your name?
I'm Okechukwu.
Okechukwu. I have a job for you.
Job? My prince, but as you can see, I have a job already.
Keep quiet. What job? God, is a job. A slave. You're answering sir. You're saying you have a job. What job do you have? Even if you have a job, don't you need more money? How much are you being paid here? How much is your salary? So you have a job.
I'm sorry, my prince. But if I may ask, what kind of job, my prince?
Good. Now, listen.
Anybody home? Onye nonso? Onye nonso? Anybody at home?
Legend!
Hey, Amunde.
Nine.
Wayo.
Hey! Hey! What a surprise this is.
Biko, what do I offer you?
I am fine. You don't need to bother yourself.
Okay.
I came here because of the urgency of what happened yesterday.
What happened?
It's about Kinsley.
Kinsley?
Yes.
What has he done?
Yesterday, when I was on my way to the farm, I saw him with the Princess of Unri in a compromising position. I've come to ask if you are aware of anything going on between two of them.
She has been here to see him. I asked Kinsley. He said they are mere friends.
The position I saw them yesterday is not a mere friend. If her father discovers that his most cherished child is in a relationship with a hunter, they are going to be a serious trouble. I know the trouble you passed through since your husband died, and I don't want any addition to it. Please, whatever is going on with both of them must stop now, before it gets out of hand.
Kinsley has never told me he has feelings for the princess. I'm surprised.
I was equally surprised when I saw them yesterday. I never knew they know themselves.
Hey. That day I have heard you. I will ask him when he comes back.
It's not just accent. make sure they stop it immediately. Whatever is going on must be stopped immediately. Anabamo.
Kingsley?
Yes, my princess.
There's something I want to tell you, but I don't know how you feel about it.
Okay, what is it?
I love what you do. I understand that hunting is more of an art to you, something you have passion for.
Passion? Yes. My father did it. His father did it. And his father's fathers.
Well, that is their era. And that is far gone.
What do you mean?
What I mean is, this is a modern era. And hunting is not good for a young, vibrant man like you.
I understand it's not that I like what I do, but I have no option to choose from.
Of course you do. It boils down to decision. Hunting cannot make you wages that you can use to take care of your needs.
But let me ask you, are you saying this because of what I do? Maybe it might dent your reputation.
Oh, no. No. Why would you say a thing like that? No. Look, I am saying this because of your own good. I see something better coming out of you.
Yes, my prince. I followed her and I made some discoveries. I'm afraid, sir. I don't know if you would want to see or hear about what I saw.
Sick! Something wrong with you? Did I pay you to patronize me? Let me start talking!
Okay, I'm sorry, my prince. I think this record will speak better.
Are you serious about this? Yes, Your Majesty. I am 100% serious. I can't lie against her. I have had my suspicion ever since. Only waiting for confirmation.
No, I know my daughter. She understands the implication of going against my decrees. She knows how important the marriage between you is to the both families, so she can't go against it. No.
So I thought, Your Highness. Once I have this.
Your Highness.
Fetch my daughter immediately. If you have to bundle her here, do so now.
Mama?
So what I heard is true.
What you heard? What did you hear?
Kisili, why? Kisili, why?
Why do you want to put us in harm's way? Organize.
Mama, what are you talking about?
Oh, shut up! You know what I'm talking about. You know what I am talking about. Kissing a wise saying says, cut your coat according to your size. Eh? Why do you want to drag me out?
Oh. It's about the princess, eh?
Kissily, she is out of bounds for people like you. You don't know class here. Kissily. Kissily, you will be getting yourself into trouble with her father if you take this joke too far.
Mama, it is not a joke. It wasn't my intention to fall for Princess Margaret. Yes, but you know what? I am not regretting doing it.
Hi, Kissily. Kissily, you want to kill me up here? It's all boom.
Mama, no one is going to kill you. Okay? I've done wrong to no one. Mama, we can't help who we fall in love with. Be it the daughter of the king, the governor, or the president either. Mama, love is love. Mama, I am fine. Don't worry if I'm fine.
Kissily na poziala. Hey, I'm shouting it though.
This is the last time I'm going to ask you this. Where are you coming from?
Dad, I have told you before. I went to see some people in the hospital.
Like this particular patient. Are you surprised? How? You think we are not going to find out you are clandestine escapade with another man?
That he's not another man.
Really? If he is not another man, why have you been stalling your marriage arrangement with Walter?
Mom, I am not sabotaging my relationship with Walter. He drives me now.
So you decided to bring in another man?
Dad, you cannot conclude based on mere pictures.
This picture speaks volume. But I will pretend I'm not seeing it. Next time I hear or see something like this again, you will hate my back. Now get out of my sight.
They're looking at me. You know what you do? You didn't come downstairs for dinner.
I'm not hungry.
Why? What is happening to you? Because I noticed within the last couple of weeks you have changed. Is it because of the man you're seeing lately? Yes, I'm your mother. I know you better than anyone else. Are you truly seeing a man? Oh my God. You're actually seeing someone?
Mom, I can't help it.
You have no excuse for condescending so low when you know what is at stake.
This is my feelings. Does it even matter to you?
What matters to me at this point does not count. But the most important thing is that you're getting married to Walter. And the earlier you get it and stop this foolishness, the better it will be for all the parties involved. Just like your father, we never had this conversation. So Margaret has been seeing another man. Yet you come home to lie to me. Oluchi, I feed you. Oluchi, I clothe you. I pay your bills and I pay you salary. Pay me back with lies. How could you? How dare you do that?
I'm so sorry, my queen. It was never my intention to lie to you. She asked me not to say a word of it to anyone. Please, my queen, I'm so sorry.
Easy. Speak now. I'll slap you again. Who is he?
His name is Kingsley.
His name is Kingsley.
Yes.
So where is this stupid Kingsley from?
It's from Amagu community.
Kingsley is from Amagu community.
It's my queen.
So what does he do for a living? Speak. Speak or I'll box you. In fact, this one will be slapped. I will box your face. Are you mad or something? Speak up!
He's a hunter. He's a hunter.
What? A what? No, you're joking, right? You just wanted to pull my legs. I know this kind of feeling and all that.
No, my queen. I can't lie to you. Can't.
Hey! Philmond. What does Margaret taken that made her so stupid and foolish at the same time? To condescend to the level of a hunter. I mean, he hunted her down. No. I cannot believe in this joke. This is not happening. Go tell her this is not happening. When you go for your estimates with them, tell her her mother's side. This will not work.
Then you do of it. Yes, I am happy to welcome you in my kingdom. Thank you so much. So how is the people of Movie?
Oh, we're doing, well as usual.
Oh, I see.
Well, from your point, I can see that the kingdom is doing so well.
Because
and I hope the rumors making the rounds, concerning the business of the kingdom. Just a figment of imagination of the among us.
You do of it. You have said it. There are rumors, never can be true. Well, there was a start somehow, but the rest assured that it was fixed.
Oh, we can say that again. So that means, I'm repeating, yeah, no problem.
Oh, yes, that's not the problem. The diamonds are white. Yeah. We do, yes.
Greetings, my queen. My queen, the royal banquet is set.
Oh, you said the table is set. So how about my princess?
She's in that room, my queen.
Tell her to join us immediately.
Okay, my queen.
Have the most expected guests around.
You do of it. This will all go. You can say that. You can say that. Wow. This way.
Water.
So, oh, sit.
Yeah. See my princess.
Oluchi.
My princess.
What is it?
The queen asked that you should come over and join them at the dining room.
I'm not hungry.
But my princess, they have visitors. Walter and his parents.
What is all this? What is all this, for crying out loud? Why can't I just have my own space?
But my princess, you have to reconsider your stand. The king and the queen will never let you have your way with Kingsley. Yes.
Why do you say so?
My princess, I was under compulsive threats from the queen. I had no option than to tell her the truth about Kingsley.
What?
Sorry, my princess.
Oluchi, that is supposed to be a secret between us for now.
I know, but I had no option.
So what exactly did you tell her about Kingsley?
Everything, my princess. Everything. Sorry.
Get out.
Thank you. My princess, are you alright?
Yes, my queen. I'm alright.
Why are you not eating then?
I'm eating.
She has always been like this. Even right from when she was a kid. She doesn't like regular food.
Wow. That's direct opposite of my son Walter. The young man is fruity general.
Hey, mom. I'm still here.
I know. And I'm not gossiping either.
But young man, may I ask, what kind of a home will you two have? One is a foodie general, the other one is non-food general. What happens to the children? Who will they take after?
Ask him.
Oh, that makes it easy. Yes.
How?
That means I'm not going to be spending too much money on feeding.
Young man, don't get too excited. Yes, because what she lacks in regular food, she makes up in shopping. The first boutique you're going to be owning in this life is her room. It will be filled with goodies of life. Know what I mean?
Where you want to the task? Oh, of course. Let's have toast.
How about she wants it?
Oh, that's right. Oh, that's no. Wow, I can see you as well use this. Let's have a toast.
Because we have one family.
One family? Yes. Toast to good life. Blessing family. Our children. Yes.
To a better future.
Future?
Family we are.
Yes, definitely.
Yes.
Oh. Good. That's good, right?
Yeah, we should do this more often.
Oh, that's good.
I will retaliate.
Oh, I see. Just like Indian men of Uganda.
Yes.
Okay, Chuku. Okay, Chuku.
That's my princess.
I need you to take me somewhere.
I'm sorry, my princess.
Excuse you? What is that?
Because I'm not doing all the time.
Then go get one.
Sorry, my princess. Your father and the king ordered us to meet all the families.
When did this happen?
Just this.
Come on, my princess.
You get.
I'm sorry, my princess. The king instructed us not to allow you out of the palace.
What kind of nonsense is this? Am I under some kind of house arrest in my own father's house? Why? Why has everyone decided to treat me like some pawn? I'm an adult, a woman. I should have a say as to how my life is run. Locking me up against my will is an infringement of my fundamental human rights, and that is not acceptable.
My princess, you cannot go against the king.
So what do you want me to do? Sit back and allow them dictate my life?
My princess, you have to calm down your nerves. I am sure this is temporary measure to deter you from seeing Kingsley. Please.
I was supposed to meet with him. But all that has been ruined. Oluchi,
my princess.
Please. I want you to take a message to Kingsley.
My princess, if the king finds out, I will be expelled from the palace. Please.
Don't worry. He will find out.
Are you sure?
I'm telling you. I cannot go alone. Imagine. What is this that I'm hearing? That Kingsley is going after the princess of Unri. What is not true?
What you heard is true.
Eh? Hey! What about the man that she was supposed to marry?
Here. Kingsley has sworn to drag my leg out. Of all the girls in this community, he went to another community to choose a woman. Imagine.
That is not even the one I found most disturbing. I'm after Kingsley. Eh? Does he not know his status? Does he not know his level? Does he not know what the king could do to him? Ochefugo.
There is nothing I have not said to discourage this boy from leaving this woman. But he has kept
In fact, he has sworn to stick to her. Can you check me? So because of that, you intend to fold your hands and watch your son dig his own grave. Go will you away. Hey, Nem. Can you check me? What do you expect me to do? I should kill him? So, Tayera, as big as you are, you don't know what else to do. I don't know. If your son does not want to listen to you, you have to go to the girl, talk to her, warn her to stay clear of your son. Mamie, that will be very disrespectful of me. I won't do it. Who is talking about being disrespectful? Okay, sit and allow her push your son to dungeon. Yes. Olube.
Cow. If you are rubbing me like this, it is to do me like Romanus. I love you, child. Hey! When I say to go to Abuja, hey! What is happening here? Can you hear me here? What are you doing? You this useless man! What are you doing with my daughter? How many times have I warned you to stay clear from my daughter? Mama, stop it. Mama, why are you shouting? Will you shut up and go home? Go home! You know, everyone say, why am I shouting? Mama, you embarrass me. I don't like it. You embarrass me. Embarrassment to go about idiot. You. Baby, don't worry. I'll come back and meet you. Baby, your mates are going wrong. Going out with men with men that have money. You know, move with village now. It's okay. You know, don't do that.
My love. All right, I will see you, baby. Okay.
Mind yourself,
I love bye-bye, oh.
Happy, Mugu, let me know. Village staff. Register the booking and room of it. I'm not here. You need a baby. Let me move over. You do tonight.
Greetings, Father.
My daughter, why have you refused to eat? So I have been told. You cannot tell me that it is because of an entity that makes you to put up these silly acts. Look, young lady, if this is a plot to make me to get soft pedal, I will not fall for such sentimental crap. Walter and his parents will be here in the next 4 market days for the introduction ceremony. And you need to start putting up your best before that time. Because whether you like it or not, you will marry him. That's final.
Father, why? Why? Why must I marry him? To further your business relationship? Why must I be used as a merchandise for your prosperity?
Don't make this about you. This is for your own good after all. You need the good life befitting of your princess, and that is exactly what you're going to get if you marry Walter.
I can take care of myself, Father. I do not need Walter to live the kind of life I want.
Macro, this matter is not negotiable. I have spoken. And you will do exactly what I said. Start preparing your mind and get ready for the wedding.
Good afternoon, Your Majesty.
Good afternoon, Your Majesty.
I believe you are Kingston.
Yes, I'm Kingston.
Oh. You're the one that has been holding the daughter captive. As if she's your prison. No. How could you? Did you take a look at yourself? A hunter. Maybe you think she will live by the spoils you get in the bush. You that is a shadow of yourself. Just look at you. What is giving you the morale? What is giving you the nerve to think you can have a princess? I beg you your interest. Undo everything, every voodoo you're using to manipulate her. Because the Margaret I see is not in her right frame of mind. You are manipulating her.
With all due respect to Your Majesty, I did not do anything to your daughter.
Shut up. Shut your stinking mouth. Idiot. I didn't come here to trade words with you. Hey, I believe you're his mother. And you have a huge influence on him as his mother. Tell him to stay away from her. Because my husband, the king of Earth, is not a man you can joke with. He's not a man you can toy with. Stay away from my daughter because you will not be alive. Do not live to regret it. Stay away from her. She is not your match. She is not your class. Born your son in his interest and in your interest. Excuse me.